channel, and ngayon tuturo ko sa inyo Skate by Bruno and Paak. Nasa standard tuning tayo, and let's start! So first part ng kanta is the intro, and before ko tuturo sa inyo yung intro part na merong mga lead, tuturo ko sa inyo yung rhythm part lang. So kung gusto nyong lead, ituturo ko din sa inyo. But ito yung rhythm. Yung chord na ginamit is A minor. Next chord is C add 13. So, itong dalawang chord lang sa intro. So, yung alternate chord ko niyan is the A minor C at 13. So bahala na yung lead kung gusto nyo, pero yung tinuro ko muna is yung rhythm lang. So, A minor and C at 13. So, yung gusto nyo yung lead section, so, ganito yung A minor natin. Dito sa 10th fret. So, middle finger nyo nasa 4th string, 10th fret. Okay? And then, index finger nyo nasa 3rd string, 9th fret. Ring finger nyo nasa 2nd string, 10th fret. Okay. Pero yung first niya is punta ka muna dito. Dito ka magsisimula. Slide mo papuntang 10th fret. Okay. So mag-A minor chord ka ng ganito dito sa 9th fret. Slide mo papuntang 10th fret. Okay. So at saka yung C add 13 ganito din. Kasi yung magdadala ng kanta, ng note ng C add 13 is dito. And then yung bass. Okay. So, ganito yon. Okay. Then, after mong napindot yan, pluck lead mo dito. Sa 11th fret, 2nd string. And then 1st string, 8th fret. Balik ulit sa A minor, C at 13. Okay, ulitin ko. Okay, ganon. So, isa pa. So, yung second part niya is ganito na. Okay? Paano ko ginawa yon? So yung kanina, yung first part ng intro is ganito lang. Okay? So, yung strumming pattern niya is sasabayan mo siya ng chord. Okay? So, dahan-dahanin ko. So, you practice strum, yung ganong strum. So, ipapractice lang mo hanggang sa ma-perfect mo, makukuha mo yan. Okay? So, paano yung lead? Okay? Okay? Punta ka sa index finger mo, 1st string, 8th fret, and then hammer mo sa 10th fret. Okay? After nun, okay? So, pluck mo din si second string. And then, yung last part niya is ganito. Si ring finger mo nasa 4th string, 10th fret. And then, middle finger mo nasa 3rd string, 9th fret. Index finger mo nasa 2nd string, 8th fret. Yan yung last chord para proceed tayo sa verse. Okay? So, ulitin ko. Okay? Next part is the verse. Yung chord na ginamit is G minor 7. Nasa chord chart. Makukuha nyo yan. Next chord is C7. So, kung nahihirapan kayo sa C7, ito, meron akong alternate chord na mas madali. Pero I prefer to use this C7 chord. Next is A minor 7. Pwede din yung basic na A minor 7 sa 1st fret and 2nd fret. Next is D7. Same chord sa C7. Same chord pattern ng C7. Okay. Meron ding basic. Pwede din gamitin yung D7 na basic chord. Okay. Nasa sa inyo yan. Pero yung C7 kasi dito na basic, parang mas hindi ko feel yung tono. So, mas feel ko to C7. Okay. So, yung 4 na chord, 3 balik. And then, after ng 3 balik, passing chord na A minor 7 to B flat major 7 to D11. Is the pre-chorus. Yung chord na ginamit ko is passing chord itong 3. B flat major 7. You know that already. Next is A minor 7. Next is G minor 7. Okay. So 4 counts ng G minor 7 and then proceed passing chord again to G minor 7, to A minor 7, to B flat major 7. And then ngayon, yung B flat major 7 na naman natin is 4 counts, another 4 counts sa B flat major 7, and then passing chord na naman to B flat major 7, to A minor 7, to G minor 7. Ito, 4 counts din, papuntang E flat 11. Passing chord to A flat major 7. Okay. So, itong after E flat 11 to A flat major 7, hold lang yung chord na to. Papuntang passing chord na G G minor 7 to A minor 7. Last chord sa pre-chorus is yung C11. So, next part ng kanta is the chorus. So, yung chord na ginamit, same chord lang sa verse, which is the G minor 7, C7, A minor 7, D7. Tatlong balik yun, yung chord na to. And then, yung A minor 7, passing chord to B flat major 7 to D11. So, yun lang. And then, balik sa introduction. Pero yung introduction natin is ganito na. So, yun lang. Kasi yung sa first intro is meron pa tayong... So, wala na yun. So, proceed na tayo sa second part ng intro. Yung... Okay? So, next part ng kanta is the balik sa verse, same chord, pre-chorus, same chord pa din, and then yung second chorus, same lang. So, yung bridge part natin. So, bridge part, yung ginamit na chord is E flat 11. So, in the 6th fret po yan. Same lang ng chord pattern ng C11 at saka D11. So, move ka lang ng isang fret sa D11. So, ito na yung E flat 11 mo. Next chord is A flat major 7. And then, next is D flat 11 or C sharp 11. Same chord pattern ng C11, D11, and E flat 11. Next is the G flat major 7 or the F sharp major 7. Okay. Papuntang last chord natin is C11. Next part ng kanta is the ad-lib. After ng bridge, ad-lib tayo. So, balik sa first introduction. Hindi yung second intro after ng first chorus. So, yung first intro, yung, alam nyo na yun, is yung ganon. And then, second part. So, yun. And then, balik sa chorus, dalawang balik ng chorus. So, you know that already. Kasi hindi ko siya mabibigay ng full cover. Baka mag-copyright na naman ako, ma-mute yung kanta. So, sayang lang yung oras. So, sana mga tolls, may natutunan kayo ngayon sa bago kong tutorial. And don't forget to click like and subscribe. Follow my Facebook page. Nasa link yung description. And may mga requested songs. You can comment down below. Baka matsambahan ko. Yun lang. God bless.